Right, I'm back in the garage again today. I wasn't going to bother painting the walls, but we'll just make it a bit brighter. It's also been pretty dusty, so I've brushed them a few times now. I think I've got all the dust off, but just to give it a coat and brighten it up a bit. The black patches there. The walls are dry. I found a leak on two places in the roof, one here. It drips down there to the bucket now. Hasn't been too bad. It looks like there's another little one at this side. That's all there is there, just a few drops. I'll wait until it's dried out and have a look on the roof, but I'm not fixing the roof. It's not my problem. Got two big tubs of white paint. Hopefully it'll be enough. Get all around. Getting a set of roller shutters on Wednesday. The double doors, get them fitted. Use some proper security then. But for now, I'm trying to get some painting done. Well, I'm not going to bore you with the whole time lapse of the garage getting painted. Just giving it one coat there. It's covered it quite well. There's a few parts where it's coming through still. A bit blotchy. Does look a lot better though, the white walls. I think I managed to get more paint on myself than on actual walls. I've just got everything piled back in the middle of the room. Let's leave it there while it dries. Probably give it another coat anyway and get things tied up again.